chance of rain 50%. Red flag warning in effect from noon to 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time today for wind and low relative humidity for the mountains of northeast Georgia. Affected area, Rabun and Habersham counties in northeast Georgia. Timing, from noon today to 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening. Winds, northwest 5 to 10 miles per hour with gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Humidity, 20 to 25%. Fuel moisture, likely falling below 8%, possibly as low as 6% in the warmest part of the afternoon. Impacts, any fire that develops will catch and spread quickly. Outdoor burning is not recommended. A red flag warning means that critical fire weather conditions are either occurring now or will shortly. A combination of strong wind, low relative humidity, and warm temperatures can contribute to extreme fire behavior. Here is a weather statement. Wind advisory remains in effect from 6 a.m. this morning to 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this afternoon above 3,500 feet. What? Northwest winds 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour expected above 3,500 feet. Where? Haywood, Macon, Mitchell, Northern Jackson, Southern Jackson, Transylvania, and Yancey counties. When? From 6 a.m. this morning to 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this afternoon. Impacts. Gusty winds will blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution. Secure outdoor objects. Statewide burning ban in effect. The South Carolina Forestry Commission is issuing a state forester south burning ban for all counties, in effect until further notice. A state forester south burning ban prohibits all outdoor burning, including yard debris burning, prescribed burning, campfires, bonfires and other recreational fires in all unincorporated areas of the state. Forestry Commission officials cite a particularly dangerous mix of elevated wildfire risk factors through the weekend that warrant limiting all ignitions in the interest of public safety. Rapidly escalating drought conditions across the state, a critical decrease in relative humidities over the next several days, and gusty winds that are expected to accompany an approaching cold front will combine to create extreme fire danger. When it's south this dry, energy release component values are at high to critical levels. We're just as likely, if not more, to see wildfires that are fuel-driven rather than wind-driven. Add the other volatile conditions of increased wind and lower relative humidity, and it becomes an especially precarious situation, said SEFC Fire Chief Daryl Jones. These conditions not only increase the likelihood of wildfires igniting easily and spreading rapidly, but would also make them more difficult for firefighters to control. While the ban does not apply to fires used for the preparation of food or fires used in appropriate enclosures, portable outdoor fireplaces, chimeneas or permanent fire pits constructed of stone, masonry, metal or other non-combustible material that conforms with all applicable South Carolina fire codes, Forestry Commission officials urge the utmost caution burning outdoors under these exemptions. Likewise, citizens should exercise extreme vigilance operating any equipment that could create sparks, avoid parking on dry grass, and refrain from using fireworks. The ban will stay in effect until further notice, which will come in the form of an official announcement from the Forestry Commission. This is the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, KXI81 broadcasting from Glassy Mountain near Clayton, Georgia, operating on a frequency of 162.450 MHz. This transmitter is serving the northeast Georgia mountains and adjacent areas of the Carolinas.